Welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step guide on how to send money from Binance to your bank account. So watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistake, and also hit the subscribe button because that actually helps me out. So let's get started with the steps on how you can simply send money from Binance to your account. So let's get started. First thing is to open your Binance app or visit the Binance website, then log in with your account credentials. Then from there you have to convert your cryptos to fiat if needed. So go to wallet, then click on fiat and spot, then select the cryptocurrency, for example BTC or your Ethereum you want to withdraw. Then from there click the trade and convert to fiat, which is USD or euro. They complete the conversion to fiat currency. From there withdraw funds to your bank account, then go to your wallet, then click on fiat and spot, then click on withdraw, then select the fiat, which is USD or EUR as withdraw option, then choose your bank account or add a new one by providing your account details, and also enter the amount you want to withdraw from your balance. Then choose the payment method, which is bank transfer or ACH if needed. Then click submit and confirm with 2FA if needed, and that's how you can simply transfer money from your Binance to your bank account. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.